Hello and welcome to another video by Alice Blue. In this video, we'll learn how to log in to the Ant web application via external authentication through TOTP or time-based one-time password. Basically, how to log into Ant web through a code which expires in 30 seconds. First, we need to install the Google Authenticator extension. So, open a new tab, search for Authenticator, click on the Chrome Web Store link and add the extension to your Chrome browser. Next, navigate to the Ant web application, reload the page if it was already open, pin the Authenticator extension, enter your user ID and password. Next, now click on Register for TOTP, enter mobile OTP. If this QR code is not visible, reload the website and repeat the same process. Register for TOTP, mobile OTP. Click on the Authenticator and scan the QR code. Okay, scan the code, see the code, allow, paste it here, invalid. Okay, let's try again. Copy, paste, and that's also invalid. So, open Authenticator, go to the settings and click on the Sync Clock with Google. Allow, delete the old code, scan the QR code again. Okay, copy and paste the new code and paste it again. And we're in. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on any updates from us. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.